Diwali special Kuih Siput or Snail Biscuits. Hello beautiful people, it's me again. Welcome to my simple cooking channel. As you all know, next month is Diwali, the festival of lights, and followed by Christmas in December. As a matter of fact, some friends suggested that I do some biscuits and cake recipes. So this is my first recipe, Kuih Siput or biscuit in the form of snail. It is spicy and crispy biscuit. Since I don't have the exact mold, so I am trying to use two items to form the shape of a snail. Here I am using a brand new comb, so don't worry, it's really brand new, and coconut stem. Which one comes better, I'll be using it. So the ingredients are 300 grams plain flour or Maida, 1 tablespoon chili powder added to the flour, and 1 teaspoon salt, 1 egg. I've got to beat this egg before mixing to the flour, and 50 grams of butter. This is 100 grams. I'll be using half. 3/4 cup of thick coconut milk, and a few curry leaves to be used later. Mix the chili powder and salt evenly. Now add the 50 grams of butter to it. Using your hand, mix it well. You can even use margarine, it will be better. Now beat the egg and mix it into the flour. Mix it well. Then add the thick coconut milk, half of it first. And use your hand to form a dough. Okay, this is almost done. I've left a little more milk which I'm not going to use in case I need it. If the dough becomes thick, then I will use it. Till then I won't use. Take a small roll, press it to the coconut leaf stem. Let's try this first. Press nicely and roll it. Okay, it is forming but not so nice, I think. Now we'll use the comb, the bigger side first. Okay, it looks better. Okay, let's try the smaller size. Yeah. So there are 3 times. I prefer the comb smaller size, I think. Okay, these are the ones I have already molded using the comb. I'm going to fry them in the oil. Okay, deep fry them. Use medium flame. Okay, now it's almost done. Okay, this is brown in color. Off the stove. Add the curry leaves to it. You can drain it and keep aside first. Okay, this is how it looks after frying. Okay, crispy and spicy, nice to eat. You can keep it in the airtight container. It lasts for some time. So thank you for watching my channel. Till I meet you again with a different recipe. Stay safe and bye.